Hi guys, this is Teen at welcome sa ating Pasta Talk series. For today's episode, gagawa naman tayo ng isa sa mga Asian-inspired pasta in which lulutuin natin ito na parang stir-fried noodles but with peanuts. At ito ay ang ChanPasta ng yellow cab. Slice lang chicken into strips and season it with Teen's Flavours all-purpose seasoning. Marinate the chicken for at least 10 minutes. While waiting for the chicken, let's make the sauce naman. In a bowl, add oyster sauce, Hoisin Sauce, Sesame Oil, sugar, chili garlic, Teen's Flavours all-purpose seasoning, and lastly water. Stir the sauce and mix it well. Then let's cook the chicken naman. In a medium heat pan, fry the chicken for 3 minutes each side. After that, in the same pan, let's saute the aromatics. Then add the sauce naman yung ginawa natin kanina. Add the mushrooms and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then add the peanut bits. Then pour a little bit of pasta water. And lastly, add the pasta naman. And we're done! This is the Teen's Flavors version of ChanPasta. O diba, super easy lang ng recipe na to. Kaya i-try mo na rin tong recipe na to. And don't forget to tag us. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat!